Thomas Balch Library's Centennial Catalog is available to view via OCLC's WorldCat Discovery, and if you're a regular user to similar libraries, these search tips may look familiar. To look at the advanced search screen, you can either go below the blue bubble that says, a blue button that says search and find this advanced search, or you can go up in the left-hand corner where advanced search is available to click here. Here you will see a range of places that you can type in terms that you are searching for: title, author, keyword, and you can choose different drop downs to change what you might be searching for. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and search with 2 keywords, and I'm going to show you how to start with a wide search for the terms Loudon and women, and at the bottom, you can see I can search for all libraries worldwide, or I can just search the Centennial catalog. Just to show you with the widest range, I'm going to start by not expanding the search, but just starting with libraries worldwide and clicking search. Here you can see I have 215 results, and that is a lot of results. So I'm going to narrow it to just what the Thomas Balch Library might have. And now you see I've gone down to 68 results. I might want to further restrict my searches by going back to advanced search. And now I might want to go into format and say I'm only looking for a print book, and I'm specifically looking for a range of dates that were published between 1950 and 1954. I could choose other items to reduce my results with. I'm going to make sure that I only have Thomas Balch Centennial Catalog clicked here, and I'm going to click search. Now you can see I have narrowed my focus down to one item, which is on the shelves at this call number and is titled, "This is Your Country." I can click on the title and scroll down to find out more about this material. That is one way to use our advanced search function. However, people who like to use these search terms sometimes would like advanced search index codes to help find their materials more specifically. For regular users looking for these codes, you will find a link on our Search Smarter Catalog help page, which will take you to a PDF highlighting some of the most useful codes. We'll just do a brief example of how these work to widen or narrow the focus of your search without using the advanced search buttons. So if I go back to my first landing page for the search, which looks like this, thomasbalchlibrary.on.worldcat.org/discovery. I can use some of these codes to help widen or narrow the focus of my search. So for this example, I'm going to do the letters KW for keyword, and then the colon, and then no space. I'm going to type in the word pension, and then I'm going to type in capital letter words and then I'm going to type the word records. This will allow my search to look for all results that have the word pension and has the words records in their keywords. And so I will click down here because I'm not looking for title, I'm looking for the keywords, hence my KW. This shows me that I am looking at 62 results in the Thomas Balch Centennial Catalog. However, it has also given me an information box here that says it has expanded my search to include related terms. If I'm happy with that, I can look through these 62, or I can say no, I would like to limit this specifically to pension and records. Clicking that brings it down to 60. Now, this may still be too many items, and I actually want to limit my search to a phrase of pension records. So I would do KW again, and then instead of the colon, I want to use the equal symbol to capture a phrase. Now I can type the words pension records with no space after that equal symbol and hit enter. Now I have a very reasonable 11 results that I can look through in my search results. And you will see highlighted with yellow the phrase pension records where they appear together as keywords. Now, similarly, I might be looking for a publisher, and the publisher could have heritage in its name. So I might search with PB colon heritage, no spaces, and hit enter. And you can see that we have 366 results covering a lot of different heritage publishing companies in our catalog. However, if I know I am actually looking for a publisher named Heritage Books, I can use the equal symbol for my phrase and type in the words Heritage Books after that equal symbol and hit return. And that lowers my results down to 291 results. Heritage Books is there with different variations as well. To learn about how to save the results of your search, please watch the next video.